Okay.
But I'm not getting rid of my morning glory.
No.
I grew these little suckers from seed. I'm not doing nothing with them. I'm letting them grow.
Right. Slid on me there.
Hello, mister. What you doing? Are you good?
Now what I want.
It is just a swaying.
What?
The house.
Yeah, I know. I'm gonna play with it.
Well, I don't think it's square.
Huh?
I don't think it's square.
What? Well, line up on the boards. It's gotta be square.
I'm just saying, I don't think it's square.
Well, I got it pulled. I got this one pulled out a little bit, out this way, because it's tight. But it's gonna be fighting the wind a little bit. I'm gonna use the gutter.
Want to go in, Chloe?
Use the gutter as the.
It's not going to pull it down, is it?
Oh, what a gutter? No.
Be hell of a no, wouldn't it?
Yeah. Oh, thing is, it is up against the house, so the wind. With the wind, it's going to circumvent the wind again a little bit, I think. Should I say the wind will circumvent it a little bit. Alright. We get most of our wind from that direction. I'm not worried. I'm not worried about it. Huh?
You.
Who, what?
It's crooked.
What's crooked?
It's leaning.
Yes, I know, because I pulled it tight. Okay.
Come over here and look.
I'm aware.
It's not right.
Because I got it pulled this way. Well, I'm gonna loosen that up just a little bit because I got the. Yeah, I'm gonna freaking wind up with the ropes. How's that?
Well, it ain't leaning. It ain't straight, but it ain't leaning.
because I got it pulled. A little tension off the leg. All right. Now,
See, now why is that?
where's what? What? Jesus Christ. Good.
Well, look.
Look what?
Look. Our boards have got to be straight on the deck, right?
Yes.
So, if this one's here,
I
and
just
this one's here,
I
why
just
is
told
that?
I just told you that I pulled the strings tight. And that's why it was leaning out that way.
That didn't make this greenhouse grow 6 inches.
What do you mean grow 6 inches? No, because you can pull it this way if you want.
Logic dictates.
No.
If it is a 10 by 10 foot screen house, when the poles are set down like they should be 10 feet apart, 10 feet apart, 10 feet apart, 10 feet apart. So, if these boards are right and nobody's crooked,
The whole house is crooked, believe me. Yes, the whole house
the
is
boards
crooked.
are straight, is what I'm saying. So, that is 6 inches over from this.
I pulled it and stretched the whole frame that way when I did it.
You didn't stretch 6 inches into the frame.
Dear, I pulled it
frame
this
is a
way.
10-foot
I
frame.
pulled it this way. That's not straight no more.
Why the hell ain't that straight?
Because I pulled it this way when I pulled the rope straight. So that's the way it is. It's great. Leave it alone. It's the way it'll be. Now get your screen on here and be in good shape. Get over it. It is a cheap freaking setup. It's not a $600 freaking thing.
But
What? And it stretches. But
but-
what?
But if you moved this over here, it would be straight. Because now that ain't straight. I don't care, just so you know. But if
Then those are going to be tilting this way. See, you already got an angle on that one.
then don't do it.
Because every time I
Then
freaking
don't do
move
it.
it.
Then don't do it.
See, these are loose
Then
right
don't
now.
do it. Then don't do
See?
it. I'll do it
Do what?
tomorrow.
It's good. It's not going anywhere. All right. Let's get the strings.
What strings?
Your whatchamacallit's off.
I told you I'll put my lights up tomorrow.
You got to get your screen up. And you're going to be lifting over your head.
No kidding, which is why I wanted to do it tomorrow.
Right.
Because I already lifted over my head bringing it up the hill.
Alright. Alright. Alright, so the next thing will be to put up the screen. And
I was going to do that while you were at work.
go all the way around. Here's the screen. And let's see. Goes around in a circle here. This is the bottom. And here's the top. No, other way around. You're right. I'm right. Okay, here's the bottom. And this is one side. I don't know exactly which one. I guess it really wouldn't make a difference because they're all these are all in the middle. These little clips, they just push in and then they lock. And this is on both sides. It'll flip in here. And she's going to be putting some lights. Not Christmas tree lights, but they're Christmas tree lights. Make little balls. Globes over them, should I say. And then she'll be putting these through here.